Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories.
Today, we're diving into the world of iPad accessories, specifically focusing on what we believe is the best screen protector for the iPad 9 on the market, the MOBDIK 2-pack Paperfeel Screen Protector.
Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why having a quality screen protector is essential for your iPad 9.
Whether you're a digital artist, note-taker, or just an everyday user, protecting your iPad screen is crucial to ensuring its longevity and preserving its functionality.
And that's where the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector comes into play.
This 2-pack screen protector is designed specifically for the iPad 9th generation, offering compatibility with models from 2019, 2020, and 2021. But what sets this screen protector apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details.
First and foremost, let's talk about the paper-like texture. The MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector lives up to its name by mimicking the texture of traditional paper, providing a tactile and comfortable writing and drawing experience, especially when paired with an Apple Pencil. Installation is a breeze with the included easy installation kit and instructional videos, ensuring a hassle-free experience for users of all skill levels. Plus, the anti-glare feature reduces reflections and eye strain, making it easier to use your iPad in various lighting conditions.
But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector, praising its performance, ease of use, and the way it enhances their overall iPad experience. In summary, if you're in the market for the best screen protector for your iPad 9, look no further than the MOBDIK 2-pack Paperfeel Screen Protector. With its paper-like texture, easy installation, and anti-glare features, it's a must-have accessory for any iPad user. That wraps up our review of the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy protecting!